Hi there, and welcome to Pushing the Limits Cartoon Animation. I'm your course instructor, David Stadolny. Over my career, I've had the opportunity to work on a lot of different films, from How to Train Your Dragon to Surf's Up, Kung Fu Panda 2 to Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs. Each one of these movies was a very different experience from the other, and each one had its own unique style of animation. Some were very natural, realistic styles of animation, and others were very cartoony, slapstick, wacky animation. Most schools, including CGTarian, teach their students the feature style of animation. This style is very natural, and it's a little bit more pushed in character than reality. This style is very important to know and tends to be the style that the majority of animation studios use nowadays. It also teaches you the mechanics of movement, as well as how to get believable acting out of your characters. But what happens if you get the opportunity to work on a really cartoony movie or a show? What happens if that show requires a really highly stylized form of slapstick animation? How do you learn that? This course is going to be a very unique look at the thought process and execution of how movies like that are made. Movies like Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs or Hotel Transylvania, or the old classic films and shorts such as the old Disney shorts and the Looney Tunes shorts that we all grew up with. Do you remember watching those types of films and you had to go press pause so you could go back in slow motion and see how it was done? Do you remember seeing bizarre shapes or smears that you didn't even know were there when it was played at normal speed? In this class, we're going to teach you to do exactly that, and we're going to teach you a ton of other really cool tricks. But most importantly, we're going to teach you how to get into the cartoony mindset, a way to start thinking in a totally different way. A way that you're not just copying reality or using the first action that comes to mind. We're going to teach you to create movements that really emphasize an emotion in a way that a normal human could never really do. And we're going to teach you how to do it in a fun, charactered way.